The bag is on the chair, the bag is on the chair. 书包在椅子上。The book is in my bag, the book is in my bag. 书在我的包包里。The cat is under the table, the cat is under the table. 猫在桌子下面。The phone is by the door, the phone is by the door. 手机在门旁边。It is on the chair, it is on the chair. 在椅子上。It is in my bag, it is in my bag. 在我的包包里。It is under the table, it is under the table. 在桌子下面。It is by the door, it is by the door. 在门旁边。Look and say, look and say. 看一看，说一说。In on under by, in on under by. 围着这样说。